Ravi is the dash of the two brothers. Option B, taller. Ravi is the taller of the two brothers. Choose the correct sentence. Option D, she is prettier than her sister. This is the dash building in the city. Option D, tallest. This is the tallest building in the city. He is not as dash as his brother. Option A, intelligent. He is not as intelligent as his brother. Select the correct sentence. Option C, Mount Everest is the highest mountain. Iron is dash than any other metal. Option C, stronger. Iron is stronger than any other metal. Which sentence is correct? Option D, this book is better than that. Choose the correct sentence. Option B, she is as smart as he. Of the three boys, Arjun is the dash. Option B, tallest. Of the three boys, Arjun is the tallest. Choose the correct sentence. Option C, this is a unique painting. She is the dash girl in the class. Option A, most intelligent. She is the most intelligent girl in the class. Choose the correct sentence. Option B, the second chapter is easier than the first. No other player is as dash as Virat. Option A, great. No other player is as great as Virat. Choose the correct sentence. Option C. This is the worst day of my life. He is dash than I expected. Option D. Cleverer. He is cleverer than I expected. Choose the correct sentence. Option C. This problem is more difficult than that. My house is dash than yours. Option B. Bigger. My house is bigger than yours. She is the dash among all the dancers. Option C. Most talented. She is the most talented among all the dancers. Select the correct sentence. Option B. This cake is sweeter than that one. Among the three cities, Mumbai is the dash. Option D. Busiest. Among the three cities, Mumbai is the busiest. Mountains are dash than hills. Option B. Higher. Mountains are higher than hills. Choose the correct sentence. Option B. The weather is colder than yesterday. Choose the correct sentence. Option D. Raju is the fastest boy in the class. The second movie was dash than the first one. Option B. More boring. The second movie was more boring than the first one. Choose the correct sentence. Option B. This is the most beautiful dress.